Public Service Commission. Proficiency Examination for Clerical Officers. September 2022. Paper Code 703. Human Resource Services. Date Thursday, September 22nd, 2022. Time 2:00 p.m. to 4:00 p.m. 2 hours. Section A. 1. State 4 instances when a position may be declared vacant. Death of the incumbent. Resignation of the incumbent. Dismissal of the incumbent. Retirement of the incumbent. 2. List 3 medical services that a clerical officer may access through the National Hospital Insurance Fund Scheme (NHIF). Outpatient medical treatment. Inpatient medical treatment. Maternity care. 3. Identify 3 offenses committed by a public officer that may warrant surcharge. Misappropriation of public funds. Loss of public property through negligence. Failure to account for advances within the stipulated time. 4. List 3 advantages of using a short course in training clerical officers. It is cost-effective. It takes a short period of time. It focuses on specific skills required for the job. 5. State 3 considerations that will guide a clerical officer when effecting deductions on a public officer's salary. The amount to be deducted. The purpose of the deduction. The authority for making the deduction. 6. State 3 actions that should be taken by a public officer who intends to resign. Give the required notice period. Hand over all government documents and property. Clear any outstanding advances. 7. List 4 instances when an officer's file may be updated. Upon promotion. After attending a training course. When awarded a certificate or license. When reprimanded or suspended. 8. List 2 types of advances payable to a public officer. Salary advance. Imprest advance. 9. State 3 options available to a clerical officer who is aggrieved with a decision on a disciplinary matter. Appeal to the Public Service Commission. Appeal to the Ombudsman. Seek court redress. 10. State 4 benefits of apprenticeship as a mode of training in the public service. It is based on hands-on experience. It allows application of theory learned. It leads to acquisition of skills. It may lead to job placement. 11. Outline for documents that a newly appointed clerical officer must submit to the salaries section for inclusion in the payroll. Letter of appointment. PIN certificate. Bank account details. NHIF and NSSF registration documents. 12. Identity for duties that a clerical officer may perform while handling exit cases. Processing clearance documents. Facilitating handover process. Retrieving organization assets. Processing terminal benefits. Section B. 13.A. An officer has complained that he has not received his full monthly salary. Explain 4 possible reasons for this predicament. Erroneous salary calculations. Unpaid loans deducted. Unremitted statutory deductions. Salary advance recovery. B. You have recently attended an induction course for newly appointed clerical officers in your organization. Describe 6 content areas that were covered during the training. Organization structure and functions. Job roles and responsibilities. Relevant laws and regulations. Records management. Procurement procedures. Safety and security protocols. 14A. As a clerical officer deployed in the salaries section, highlight 5 challenges that may be associated with the Integrated Payroll and Personnel Database (IPPD) system. Complex system requiring extensive training. Susceptibility to network downtime. Possibility of erroneous computations. Delayed updates leading to mismatches.